Alright, you guys, so I'm trying to rock the automatic. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to rock automatic when I'm pretty much vlogging, because it's kind of hard to like keep the camera settings for each individual lighting every single time I'm walking out. But you know, welcome to episode 2 of Day in the Life of a Barber college student. Right now we are actually already here. I've already drove here. We are about to walk through the door. Good morning. But yeah, right now the first thing you gotta do when you walk in is sign in, man. I need my hours, I need my time. Pretty much we're in Exodus, and when we're in Exodus, we just sit in here for a minute and we kind of just like do a little reflection, mindset, morning type thing. Bro, guess what? I forgot to charge my phone last night.
What's it on?
Like 20%.
What is it?
What?
Your phone.
Like which one I have?
Yeah.
Oh, the 11. Yeah.
11 what?
iPhone.
I think it's the 11. Just the 11.
I got it?
Yeah.
It's Apple?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I mean.
Oh,
I have
I
an Apple
was like,
charger if you need it.
Oh, I was like, what? I was so confused. What are you writing?
All the types.
Huh?
All like the personality types. Like when you finish it, you get like a answer.
Oh, like a code?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what your personality is.
I guess this morning we're taking personality tests. Alright guys, so we just look-y got done with the whole theory. Today, you know, usually what we do is we sit in there and we talk about like life stuff, things that are more mental. Like we'll talk about, you know, like yesterday's we had it was like, you know, a lion doesn't turn around for a small dog barking or something like that. But it was like one of those things where it was just like most of the time that we're in there in Exodus in the morning, it's really just about like mindset and getting your mindset ready for the day. Like you guys saw, we pretty much did more of just personality test, discovering who you are. When I started thinking about it, I was like, you know, you have to know who you are to then develop a plan to help you accomplish something. You have to know who you are, how you think, how you interact with other people, so to then cater the plan towards how you are as a person. You know, after a while, you know, I was just like, okay, like I understand why we're doing this now. But at first I was definitely like, man, I do not want to do this. But we're now about to go ahead and go into theory. Theory is now, you know, it's not like we're all grouped together. Now it's mostly I'm just with my classmates. But you know, we're pretty much gonna go into theory. We pretty much just finished the chapter, so I don't know if we're gonna review or whatever, but I guess we'll go ahead and see when we get in there. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
So there's an elementary school.
still, but I plowed with the grain. So when you plow against the grain, it's going to leave it shorter. Against the grain is always shorter than with the grain.
So pretty much we were working on shaving today. As you guys saw, we were practicing the 14 strokes and how to do them. We were also did a demo. Dave did a demo. What you guys saw, that's pretty much the owner of A+. He were basically just showing us how to do a high and tight ball fade. And then, of course, how to do a little beard work, beard design, as they like to call it. Right now, it is 12:30, probably a little bit past. Let me check. Almost about 12:40. So I'm pretty much gonna stop at Subway. 6-inch turkey breast on Italian.
Is it toasted?
No, thank you.
What kind of cheese?
American.
What's in it?
Spinach, cucumber, tomatoes, and then top of ranch.
Have a good day.
Whew, all right, guys. So, like I was saying, we got the food. Y'all know what time it is. Now that we went ahead, we got the food, we got the bag secured. We're pretty much just gonna go ahead and head right back to the school. One good thing about the Subway is that the Subway is really close to the school, so I get more time to really just chill. Sometimes I might take a nap. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I after I get done eating and we heading back into school. Dang, not the progress sheet. Alright, y'all, we out of here. Time to go to the shop. Y'all know what time it is. Ugh, don't look at my shirt, guys. I spilled something on my shirt. We got a pretty busy day in the shop today. We're gonna be staying till 10 o'clock. So hey, it's gonna be fun. We got 3 kids cuts, 2 adults cuts. Alright, you guys, so pretty much finished up the second to last one of the day. We got one more. My guy David, we're waiting on him to come in. He got about 7 minutes. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's been one of those type of days. So David, if you watching this, cuz, you got 7 minutes. Cuz I was saying it when you wasn't here, cuz man, I am tired as hell. Come on, David. Let's go, cuz. I'm all alone in the shop. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Rocking that Mamba mentality today. First one in, last one to leave. Even though I couldn't be the first one in here though, but I would if I could. All right, you guys. So pretty much, it is the end of the day. It is the end of the ever-loving day. My last one didn't end up showing up, guys. He ended up no-showing me. So if he's watching this, bro, you no-show me. See how we doing. I'm trying to really think of something motivating that I can end this video with. Okay, so pretty much today it was mostly we did shaving, and we covered the whole entire chapter already in school, and it was mostly like, okay, now we're just doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. And for me, it can definitely become irritating, and I can understand how that could become irritating for anybody. You know what I mean? Like, you're just doing the same thing all day. It could be frustrating for anybody. You know, you feel like right now I'm feeling like, man, I took a significant pay cut. I'm not making what I'm used to making. You know what I mean? And that's just reality. That's just the truth behind it all. You know, I'm not gonna front with y'all. Where it used to be 15 people a day has now turned into like, I'd not pray to get 5, but if I'm feeling up for it, you know, that's maybe max 5 a day. So, you know, is it humbling? It is very humbling to take a pay cut, to then humble yourself as a student, and then, you know, almost acting like you don't know anything, having to stay quiet when you know the answer and you want to answer a student's question, but the instructor's there. It is humbling. But at the end of the day, man, I think that's life. Sometimes you have to humble yourself. You know, you can't always get the big head, because anytime I've ever seen anybody get the big head, usually in life they just start declining. You know, their character declines. The person who they are declines. So I always say remain humble. No matter how good you're getting, no matter how much you're progressing, you may be progressing faster than everybody else around you, but that never gives you the opportunity to get the big head. If anything, you humble yourself to help the people around you. Yeah, so guys, all I can do is say stay patient, stay humble, and work hard, and you guys will definitely get the results that you guys are looking for. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it on that note. I don't want to continue to rumble on. I know I try to make this vlog a lot more of you guys seeing what's going on. I felt like the last episode, you know, episode 1, you know, it was the first episode. It was the, you know, it was the interlude. I think that's how you say it. I was like, I want to give them more of that feel of what it is like being there, you know. I didn't want to just give snippets of just what's going on. I wanted to kind of dive in a little bit. You guys kind of see like the scene of Barber College, you know. And honestly, did that mean me stepping out my comfort zone a little bit? Yes, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, even when I went to lunch and I tried to record just a little bit, guys, you definitely have to gain another level of confidence. Like I always say, guys, you got to be uncomfortable to be comfortable. Stepped a little bit out of our comfort zone, but again, after doing it, guys, I felt a lot better. I think after doing it over and over and over again and trying to give you guys this content, I think it'll get better as the episodes go on. So guys, if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because this is a journey you're gonna want to stay tuned for, guys. I'm giving you guys literally the day in the life of a Barber College student. So if you guys are interested in the life of a college student, or Barber College, or interested in Barber College, or whatever, I hope I'm making sense. Again, I'm tired, but then you guys are definitely going to want to go ahead and subscribe to the journey. Guys, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and like the video, because why don't you like the video if you like the video? But go ahead and drop a comment down below, because I already love reading you guys' comments down below. But go ahead and subscribe to the journey, guys, because again, why wouldn't you want to see this journey? Subscribe to your boy Woods. But guys, this is Woods, and I'm out.